How to fix the Honor 90 or 90 Lite which is not charging. So to fix this charging issue, first of all check your charger and cable. So if your charger and cable are not working, then change your charger, and if the charger and cable are working properly, then move to the next solution. So to fix this issue, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the charging issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the mobile's software, the charging issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the not charging issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.